What is the meaning of locus?
Sir, a center point of a shape.
Yeah. Or you can say, you gave an example of a locus. Okay. What you said is an example of a locus. Locus means set of points, a collection of points. But all collection of points are not locus. This set of points should satisfy a common condition. And what Arnav told me just now is an example of a locus. So if set of points are called locus, but set of those points should satisfy one common condition, then only we'll call it as locus. Otherwise, we would have called set of points only. For example, look at this diagram which I'm drawing. What you see is set of points. This is a collection. The circle is a collection of points, set of points. But all of them will satisfy the condition stated by Arnav. What he said, every point will be equal distant from this center. You take any point P, it is the equal distant from Q. Take R, take S, take T. Any point you take, all of them are equal distant from Q. So this set of point is called a locus. And the specific name given to this locus is circle. Like you call mineral water, common name. Bisleri is a brand, right now? The same way, locus is set of all points. Circle is a locus. Circle is an example of a locus. Correct? Why circle is a locus? It consists of set of points. All of them satisfy one condition. What is the condition satisfied by all of them? Distance from this fixed point is a constant. Now look at this, another locus. Here is a point A. Here is a point B. Mark all the points which are equidistant from A and B. What do you have to do? You need to mark all the points which are equal distant from A and B. Can you give an example? Look at this one. Is it equal distant from A and B?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
Just
sir.
below it, I'm marking one point. Just below it, I'm marking another point. Just below it, just below, all of them satisfy the same condition. What are the conditions satisfied by all of them? Distance from A is equal to distance from B. Distance from A equal to distance from B. All of them satisfy the same condition. Hence, this is also a locus because they are satisfying a common condition. And this locus is nothing but perpendicular bisector of AB. Perpendicular bisector of AB. Correct, no? This set of points satisfies
Yes,
the
sir.
condition.
Yes,
and
sir.
this is also called a locus. Okay, now let me ask you another question. Suppose I have a segment AB. Find out all the points such that AB subtends a right angle at that point. Suppose they are P. AB subtends a right angle at P. Do you agree with this statement?
Yes.
Another point I can find Q. Q also subtends a right angle at AB. Like this, I can find many points, right? Here. Like this, I can find another point here, which AB will subtend a right angle at AB. Like this, I can find infinite number of points. I can also find down here, such that AB will subtend a right angle. If you collect all of them, what do you get?
Circle.
Circle.
So this circle is also a locus of point because all of them satisfy the same condition, hence this is also locus. All of you agree with what I have explained to you?
Yes.
So tell me what you mean by
Yes,
locus.
sir.
First of all, locus is collection
Set
of
of
line.
points which
Set of points
satisfy the condition.
Yeah, locus is set of points, and these set of points should satisfy a common condition. Clear? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now I am going to
Yes.
teach you something interesting. Equation of locus. What do you mean by equation of locus is condition satisfied by every point on the locus. Now this condition is an algebraic equation. We said condition in word. What was the word condition? We said the distance from A and B are equal. The distance from the center is all equal. So they are algebraic. They are not algebraic equation. They are conditions, but they are not algebraic equation. So we'll create an algebraic equation using the condition, and that algebraic equation is called equation of locus. Okay. This algebraic equation has got two variables, x and y. X stands for x coordinate of any point on the line. You take a sample point, uska x coordinate, and y coordinate of the same point. For example, look at this. I am going to draw a locus. Okay, look at this carefully. Very interesting thing I'm going to show you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I am going to draw a line. This line is also a locus. But I don't know what is the condition satisfied by this line. So what I'll do is I'll mark the coordinate which I know. 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 If I go further, if you look at all of them, all these points, you will notice a speciality. Just compare the x coordinate and y coordinate. Everybody is satisfying one common condition. Can anybody tell me what is the common condition satisfied by x coordinate and y coordinate?
X coordinate is decreasing as we go above and y coordinate is increasing.
But I want say what you said is perfectly right, but I want a relation between them. I don't want to compare
Sum
the
of them is
points.
5.
Yes, very good. The sum of the x coordinate and y coordinate is 5. And that is the equation of the line. So you said is correct. X coordinate as much as is increasing, and y coordinate is that as much as y coordinate increases, that much x coordinate decreases. That is correct because you compared within the points. But what do I want? I want the relationship between x and y coordinate, which will be satisfied by everybody. The relation satisfied by everybody is x coordinate plus y coordinate is 5. So this is the equation of this line. Did you understand? The line which I've drawn, its equation is given by x plus y equal to 5. Another example. Today I'm going to talk to you only examples, so that through example you understand the concept. I'm drawing x and y axis, and I'm going to draw a circle. I'll make it a little more bigger. Imagine 1, 2, oh that's 2, the other way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So radius of the circle is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. This point is 5, 0. If you take this point, this is 4, 3. If you take this point, 3, 4. This point, 0, 5. You mark further. It's a rough calculation. So believe me what I'm saying. This point is minus 3,4. This point is minus 4,3. This point is 0, minus 5. So if I mark all these points, further also if I continue doing this, you see a relationship between x coordinate and y coordinate. Everywhere there's a relationship between x coordinate and y coordinate. Can you tell me what the relationship between x coordinate and y coordinate? It is not like last time, a little complicated. If you can say it, it will be fabulous. You can't say it, it's okay. It's nothing, not a big problem. There is some relationship between x coordinate and y coordinate. If you square the x coordinate, if you square the y coordinate and add, what do you get?
5.
25, no?
25.
Look at this. 4 square plus 5 square plus 0 square, is it 25? 4 square plus 3 square, is it 25? Then 3 square plus 4 square, is it 25? 0 square plus 5 square, is it 25?
Yes, sir.
Minus 3 square plus 4 square, is it 25? So what do you notice? Every point on it, even the point whose coordinate I have not written here, all of them satisfy the condition x square plus y square equal to 25. Hence the equation of the locus is, equation of locus of the circle is x square plus y square equal to 25. Have you understood? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So don't think that you can derive the equation of circle by just looking at the numbers. That's because Manoj sir is having some experience of doing this, so he's able to do it. We don't expect you to derive the equation of circle by looking at the points. Just I want to make you understand the meaning of equation of locus. Another example. Okay. Okay. If this point, if you take 4, 4, this point is 0, 0. This point will be 4, minus 4. If you take points on this, you will notice that square of the y is 4 times x. Of course, it's not so easy to derive from the points here, nor it is easy for me to plot the points on it. But I just want to show you. If you take the x coordinate as 4, y coordinate as 4, you will see it satisfies the equation. Have you noticed? So every point on this curve will satisfy the condition square of the y coordinate is 4 times x, and that is called the equation of locus of this curve. So when you hear the word equation of the locus, what have you understood? Can anybody tell me? Locus means what? Set of points.
Set of points.
Equation of locus means what? The equation satisfied by every point on the locus. Understood? Equation of locus means what? The equation satisfied by every point on the locus. All of you understood the statement, what I explained?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, please note down heading locus. Locus means set of points. Satisfying a common condition. Set of points satisfying a common condition is called locus. That is, every point on this locus satisfy a single condition. Then equation of locus. It is the equation satisfied by the x coordinate and y coordinate and y coordinate of every point on the locus. Example. It is the equation satisfied by x coordinate and y coordinate of every point on the locus. Now, finish writing this point.
Yes,
Finish
sir.
writing. Okay. Then write this. Wait 1 minute. Yeah. Draw this diagram. X-axis. Okay, I'll make it once again. So are you drawing? First you draw
Yes, sir.
x-axis, y-axis, origin, mark 5, then join it with a straight line. Take your time and don't be hurried to draw it. This is a very easy example which you can easily understand. Since I cannot see what you're writing, you need to tell me whether you're finished or not, okay?
Right, sir.
Yeah. Then write besides it, every point on the line on the red line satisfy the x coordinate plus y coordinate is equal to 5. Therefore, the equation of this line is x plus y equal to 5. Now I am going to only deal with the line. I'm not going to take circle or anything. All right. Or do you want to do one example for circle? Do you want? Don't want. Okay. I'm drawing a line now. You will write yourself the equation. Okay. Are you ready?
Yes. So,
Yeah, tell me.
so on the last which you had drawn right now, which you were showing, in this it will be 3 comma 2, right?
3 comma 2. Yeah, 3 comma 2. 3 comma 2. Are you ready? Next one.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Again, you draw a x-axis and y-axis. Don't mark too many numbers, just few. The concept should be very clear. That's why I'm making you draw this. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. Now I'm drawing a line like this. The line which is bisecting the x-axis and y-axis. And I'm marking the point on it. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 0, 0, minus 1, minus 1. Can you tell me from this, what is the equation satisfied by every point?
Sir, x minus y equals to 0.
Very good. Excellent. Y, either you can say x equal to y, you can say x minus y equal to 0. Everything is perfect. Excellent. Good. Shivan also gave that answer. Very good. X minus y equal to 0 or x equal to y. Okay. One more. I hope you have finished writing.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. This point is 1 comma 0. This point is 1 comma 1. 1 comma 2. 1 comma 3. So can you tell me what is the condition satisfied by this point? This line. 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3. What will be this one? What will be this point?
1 comma 4.
1 comma
4. What will be this point?
1 comma 5.
What will be, okay, I'm randomly picking. What you can say about this point?
minus 1.
X
Minus
coordinate,
1.
X coordinate, X coordinate.
It is same.
X coordinate how much? We can say X coordinate is how much?
1.
One.
One.
Without even knowing what is, I can say X coordinate 1, no? If I take
Yes.
everywhere,
Yeah.
what you notice, X coordinate is 1. X coordinate is 1.
My,
So the condition satisfied by every point on this line is X coordinate is 1. So the equation of this line is X equal to 1. Got the idea?
yes,
So
sir.
here, what about
Yes,
y
sir.
coordinate? Y coordinate can be any number. So we don't mention any condition on y coordinate. There is no restriction on y. Y can be any number. But x coordinate got to be 1 if it is on this line. Okay. So imagine I have a point here, 5 comma 0. I am drawing a line parallel to y-axis. What will be the equation of this line?
X is equals to 5.
X is
X
equal
is
to
equals
5.
to 5.
The condition satisfied by every point on this red line will be x coordinate will be 5. Okay, now let me see your smartness. What can you say about this line? 1 minute.
Y is equal to 3.
Excellent, Tripti. Y is equal to 3. Because this is 1 comma 3. This will be 0 comma 3. This will be 2 comma 3, 3 comma 3, 4 comma 3. This will be 5 comma 3. Correct, no? Everywhere the y coordinate is going to be 3 here.
3.
So you will notice that the equation of this line is y equal to 3. Okay. Now I am going to ask you another question. I have a point 2 comma 3. A line is passing through 2 comma 3 and 5 comma 3. What is the equation of this line?
Y equals to 3.
Y
Y
equals
is
to
equal
3.
to 3.
So I have a point 2 comma 5 and 2 comma 7. What is the equation of this line?
X is
X
equals
is
to
equal
2.
to
equal
2.
to 2.
If you have two things common, you can immediately say it is the equation of the line. Is x equal to 2. I hope you understood. If
Yes,
two of
sir.
them are
Yes,
satisfying,
sir.
then all of them satisfy the same condition. Clear? Understood? Did you write the examples here?
Yes, sir.
So what will you write here? Next line. This is over. This is y equal to 3x. Have you finished writing?
Yes.
Did you write the year x equal? This also you have written. Either x equal to y or x minus y equal to 0. So what will be the equation of this one? Bisecting the second quadrant. Just imagine a point here. Just imagine a point here. Just imagine a point here. What will be the equation?
Minus x is equal to 1.
Y is equal to minus x, or you can say x plus y is 0.
Y is equal to 0.
Y equal to minus x or x plus y equal to 0, nothing. Because here it will be 1 comma minus 1, 2 comma minus 2, 3 comma minus 3. So you will notice that x and y are opposite in sign, but they are equal in number. So y equal to minus x you can write. Okay. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Then write note. Equation of a line parallel to y-axis is x is a constant. Equation of a line parallel to x-axis is y is a constant. कभी भी कोई भी लाइन आप ड्रॉ करो y एक्सिस के पैरेलल तो हमेशा उसका इक्वेशन होगा x इक्वल टू ए नंबर. Then equation of a line bisecting first quadrant, first and third quadrant is y equal to x. Y coordinate and x coordinate will be equal on that line. Equation of a line bisecting second and fourth quadrant. What will be its answer?
Y equal to minus x.
Y equal to minus x. So you write yourself what is the equation of x-axis. Equation of y-axis. On x-axis, every point satisfies what condition? On y-axis,
Y
every
equals to 0.
Equal to 0.
excellent. Janvi, you see superb. And here,
X equals to 0.
Is equal to 0.
your students are superb. So much is clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Written all this, Equation of a line passing through 2 comma 3 and 2 comma 100 is, complete your sentence.
X is equal to
X
2.
is equals
X
to
is
2.
equals to 2.
Is equal to 2. I hope you understood the meaning of equation of a line equation. Equation of locus, actually, basically, I wanted to teach you. But I'm concentrating on line now. Later on, I'll come to other curves, circle, parabola, like that. Many curves are there. So first, basically, I'm going to lines. Then I will come to circle, etc. Okay. Now, can I change the page?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Whenever I want to find the equation of a line, I need two things. One is a point on the line. And second I need is slope of the line. What are the two things that you require? I need a point on the line. I need the slope of the line.
Of the line.
If I have these two with me, I can find the equation of the line. Imagine point on the line is 2, 2. Slope of the line, let's say line is making, look at this. Here I have a line. Line is making angle 45 degrees. Don't write this, sir. Just listen to me. Line is making angle 45 degrees. What will be the slope of this line?
1.
1.
So imagine slope of the line is 1. Then what would be the equation of this line? How to calculate the equation of the line? What I'm going to do is, I'll assume any point on the line as x, y. What do you mean by any point? Suppose I want to address all of you together. What I use the word student. Student stands for everybody, whether it's Janvi or whether Kesia, whoever it is, or Soham. I use one word to represent everybody. Same way, this x, y is one term to represent every point on this line. And equation of a line means what condition this x and y satisfy. I have with me x, y is any point in the line. I also have with me 2, 2. I can calculate slope of this line. Am I right? So slope of this line would be y minus 2 upon x minus 2. And that slope is given to be 1. So the equation of the line would be like this. That is, equation of the line would be y equal to x. So I have derived the equation of this line without using the coordinate by having only two things. What are the two things? A point on the line
On the line.
and slope on the line.
Of the line.
So let's make a formula out of it. I give an example. Let's make a formula out of it. Imagine the point on the line is x1, y1. And slope of the line is, let's say, m. This is a usual notation. So imagine a line, one point which I know is x1, y1. And any point on the line is x, y. Then slope of this line AP will be y minus y1 upon x minus x1. But that slope is given to be m. So I equate with m. So I can say equation of the line is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. This is the formula to find the equation of the line. Is it okay? So fadafat now. Don't write for a minute. Line passes through 2, 3. And the slope of the line is 4. What will be the equation of the line? You don't have to break all this. You don't have to write all this. Just directly use this formula. Y minus y1 is 3, is equal to m. What is m here? 4.
4.
X minus x1. How much is x1 here? 2. Just open the bracket. You will get the equation of the line. That is 4x minus y
Minus 1
is
is
y
equal
equals to. That is the equation of this line. So conclusion, you tell me. Whenever I want to find equation of a line, without having coordinate on it, then what are the two things minimum I require?
A point on the line, slope
And
of the
slope
line.
of a line.
If I have point as x1, y1 and slope as m, what formula would you apply to get the equation of the line?
Y
Y
minus
minus
y
y1.
minus
equal to
y1 is equals to m
Is
into
equals to
x
m
minus
into x
m.
minus
x minus
x1.
x1.
Everybody understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Let's
sir.
Let's
Yes,
write
sir.
down. Equation of a line passing through x1, comma y1 and having slope m is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. This is a formula that we require. Then reasoning or how you got proof. Nobody will ask you proof. Proof is only for your understanding. What you do is draw a line. What is the point known to you? x1, y1. And what is the slope of this line? M.
M.
And x comma y is any point on the line. Any point on the line. Now name this as P, and this as C. A is given point. Given point. Then write slope of AP. Y minus y1 upon x minus x1. Given slope is equal to m. Therefore, y minus y1 upon x minus x1 equal to m. So y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. This much you write in your notebook. We don't have to derive it. It's only understanding that is required. If you understand, you remember forever. If you mug up, it will very short memory. So I want to summarize what we learned today. I have not taught you any much problem, but I am going to give you a small assignment, which you will think and answer. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So what are the things I've taught you? Basically, I wanted to teach you equation of line. I started from locus. What is the meaning of locus?
Set of
Set
points
of points.
that satisfy a condition.
Satisfied a
Of
common
points satisfy
condition.
one single condition. So straight line is a locus, circle is a locus, parabola is a locus. So there are so many locus in this world, right? We are going to discuss about only one type of locus, that is a line. Okay. For finding equation of the locus, what is the meaning of equation of locus?
The equation satisfied by the x coordinate and y coordinate of every point on the locus.
Every Tripti, superb, super definition. Yeah, you have given the exactly what I wanted. Then we came to equation of line. The first type of equation of line I taught to you is lines which are parallel to x-axis, y-axis first. All of them satisfy one similar type of equation. What are they? If this point is 2, 0, if this point is 2, 0, x equal to 2, x is a constant, x equal to 4, maybe this point is 6, 0, so x equal to 6. So we said equation of a line parallel to y-axis is x is a constant, x is a number. Equation of line parallel to Y-axis is
Y is constant.
Y is equals to K.
constant. Y is a constant. Then equation of a line bisecting the first quadrant.
Y is equal to X.
X is equals
equal
to
to
Y.
Y is equal to X.
Equation of line bisecting the second quadrant and fourth quadrant.
Y is equals
Y
to
is
minus
equals to minus X.
Minus X. Equation of x-axis.
Y is equal to
Y
is equals to 0.
Equation of y-axis.
X is equal
X is equals to
Equal
0.
to 0. Equation of a line passing through x1, y1 and having slope m.
Y
Y minus
Y
Y1
minus
Y
Y1 equals
equals
to
to
M
M into X
minus
minus
X1.
X1.
That's all I've taught you today, and that is more than enough for today. I'll give you a small assignment on it, and you can think and answer. Okay, with this much concept. All right.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Thank you so much. Superb students. I enjoy teaching you. Okay.
Bye.
Yes, I'll send the recording section.